Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are watching my video lessons regularly. Yes students? So students, as you all know that in the recent video lesson we have already completed our chapter number 3 nouns, right? So in today's video lesson we'll be going to start with a new chapter that is from your course book, right? Chapter number 6, the open door. And students, if you really like mystery and suspense, this chapter is going to be somewhat interesting for you all. So for that, you have to stay tuned to my channel, right? But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do something for me. I hope you remember those 3 things. Yes, you have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. Students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. Class 7, English course book, Chapter 6, The Open Door. Students, today we will be doing the introduction part. So I would like to request you all kindly note down all the details in your English Ware register. Students, let's learn something about the author now. This story is composed by S. Mukherjee. And who was S. Mukherjee? Students, S. Mukherjee was famous for his supernatural and mystery stories, right? He was the author of books such as Indian Ghost Stories, right? Then Indian Ghost Stories, Best Classic Horror Thriller. And he was famous for supernatural tales from the British Raj period, right? Students, he died on 28 September 2007, right? Now students, here I would like to inform you that much information is not provided about this author, right? So this story is also adapted from the Indian Ghost Stories 2nd edition, okay? So now the part which we will be discussing in this video lesson is adapted from the Indian Ghost Stories 2nd edition, okay? Students, this chapter is going to be interesting for you people if you really like mystery and thriller stories, right? So here you have to pay attention in order to understand the story well, okay? Students, since the chapter is all about mystery, I hope you are already familiar with the term mystery. Yes, students, do you have some idea what is the meaning of mystery? Yes? See, beta, mystery is something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain, okay? When in a story something is happening but we are unable to understand the end, right? We don't have any idea that what will happen next, right? There is a suspense. So that is something which is strange, which is unknown, okay? So that is mystery, right? Students, let's see some famous books of mystery. The Woman in the Window by A.J. Finn, The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides, Genuine Fraud by E. Lockhart, Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell, Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn, right? These are some famous books of mystery. If you really like mystery, you should go and you should read these books, okay? Students, this story is divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. The first part introduces us to the narrator and his 3 friends, who accepts a friend's invitation to spend a week at his suburban residence. Students, do you know what is the meaning of suburban? See, suburban means an area on the edge of town or city where people often live. So we can say outskirt, okay? So they reached there late at night and were welcomed by the elderly parents. So now students, in the entire story there will be certain incidents, okay, certain events. And what is the mystery in the story? That we will understand when we will do this in detail. And for this, you have to stay tuned to my channel, okay? So students, that's it for today's class. Now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. I know you people are getting curious to know the suspense of the story, but yes, I will not reveal the suspense like this. Okay? Suspense will be revealed later on, but for that you have to stay tuned to my channel and make sure that before going you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel and you share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright? Goodbye. Take care.